Hi everyone! When creating vlogs or street videos, have you ever worried about showing license plates clearly on camera and exposing private information? But blurring license plates manually is a real hassle. Going frame by frame takes forever, and the results often don't look smooth. Don't worry, with AVCLabs Video Blur AI, you can easily blur license plates in just a few clicks. Let me show you how to do it. First, import your video. Next, choose the license plate blur tool, and in a few seconds, the AI will blur the plate directly. Click play button and preview the result. The AI automatically tracks it throughout the video. No matter how many cars are in the video or how the car moves, the blur stays perfectly aligned. No more tedious manual editing. You can also setting the blur effect, size and strength here. This way, you can protect privacy and keep your videos looking professional. Now just export the video and post it to social media for free. Try AVCLabs Video Blur AI to make video editing smarter and faster. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!